Hello and welcome to this video. This is Damo, and I'm quickly making this video because I've had recent problems with activating Windows on Windows 10. It's saying basically to reinstall the Windows to Home Edition, even though I've always run Pro. So I'm just on the phone to Microsoft just to see what the hell the problem is. So I'm just on the phone to them. So we'll just have to see what they have to say.
Thank you for calling Microsoft. This is Tanzim. May I know which software you are trying to activate?
Hi, yes, I'm having trouble with reactivating my Windows 10. I've previously had problems with another app on Windows Store. Now I've got that solved, but recently I've just found out that my digital license has changed from Pro to Home, and I've never installed Home before, Windows 10 Home. I've always installed Pro and I've always had it activated, and it was activated up to yesterday. And then I switch on the computer this morning and find out, nope, it's not activated anymore. So I'm just wondering, and all I'm getting is an error message on it, and I'm just wondering what can I do to solve this issue? Is there anything that I can do to solve it?
Okay, sir. You are trying to activate Office 2010, is that right? Windows 2010.
Windows 10.
Okay. I'm glad to assist you with that. Could you please provide me the installation ID? And before that, it's a brand new installation, or you have upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10 or Windows 8 to Windows 10?
I've lost my Windows 7. I did have Windows 7 on here, but I've lost the product key for it. And all I've been using. See, I got this with you know when you could free update it from Windows 7. And I updated it, and it was fine. And it's just now recently I've had problems with like now I'm having problems with activating the Windows. So I've had Windows 10 since it came out, when it a couple of years ago, I think it was now. So I've lost my original Windows 7 product key. I don't really use the Windows 7 anymore. I just use Windows 10, so I had no need to have my Windows 7 product key.
Okay. So you have upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10, is that right?
Yes, that was a while back though. That was a while back. It actually activated okay. I've only had a few issues when I've changed like my graphics card, but that was more or less solved when I just reinstalled or reactivated the Windows using the activation wizard or whatever it is. Yeah, it's just a nightmare now because I can't. I don't want anything to happen to this computer, because it's my only sort of PC, you see, and I do everything on it. So and it was okay for the other day, on because I'm using the digital license, you see. So when I pair this computer up with me account on Microsoft, it automatically reactivates, and it's just now it's just thrown up a red herring and just said just converted me to Home, when I don't even use Home. I use Pro.
So I'm sorry.
Yes. So I just need. I'm just wondering if there's any way that I could get this. I could get this sorted without reinstalling the Windows, because that's all it's asking me to. It's asking me to reinstall the Windows on home, and I don't really want to do reinstall the
Okay, sir.
Windows.
Okay, sir. I'm glad to assist you with that. You're trying to activate Windows 10 and you have upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Could you please provide me the installation ID?
I've got the product ID here is 00.
No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to take installation ID.
Installation ID. I don't think I have that actually.
Yes.
Where
Okay.
do you exactly find that?
Okay. Could you please open our run command?
Command. Right. Command. Yep.
Type there SLUI space 4.
SLUI space 4. Did you say?
Yes.
Right. It says can't activate your Windows by phone. Contact your system administrator for more info, and then it's got a close button.
Okay. Do you have a product key of Windows 7?
Sorry.
Do you have a product key of Windows 7?
I don't. I don't have. I don't have a serial key for Windows 7. Because I've misplaced it, or I don't know. I haven't got a copy of Windows 7 anymore.
Okay, sir. Could you please call us back after 24 hours?
Sorry.
Could you please call us back after 24 hours?
Okay. All right. Why'd you say that?
Microsoft. Have a good day.
Why'd you say that?
I'm sorry?
Why'd you say call us back after 24 hours?
Because my tools are getting refreshed. Right now far off Windows 7 to Windows 10, so I'm telling you to call us back after 24 hours.
Right. Okay. Alright, fine. Alright, thank you anyway.
And you're welcome, sir. And thank you for choosing Microsoft. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Well, guys, that was fucking ridiculous, that. I don't know what to say. As many of you may understand that my problem is like many of you fellow Windows users, we got coaxed into getting Windows 10. Now, if I had Windows 7, it would have been no issue whatsoever, because I would have still had my product key. I have lost my product key. I don't know where it is. You know how it is. You have old software, you put it somewhere, and that's it. Now, I downloaded this via when they did the mass upgrade. Now, for him to say that I need to phone back within 24 hours, what does that make any difference? What does that make any difference if he needs to phone back within 24 hours? I don't understand. Now, if any of you have this issue, now I'll just show you for instance, what it actually says. So you go on here, it says trying to detect reactivating Windows. Now what it did before was it went on to the right. Now it brings up this page. Yes, I am using Opal. Oops. Then it displays the Microsoft store, the Microsoft troubleshooting page. Now the only way you can actually do it is, where is it? Microsoft Store, I think it is. Windows, hang on. Windows 10? Is it Windows 10? Windows. Now I'm going to have to search for it because it's not actually. Right. Windows 10 Pro for workstations. Right. Now, I'm not using a workstation thing. But that's what it's saying. Now that was 300. How much is that? That's £300. Well, £330. But the actual Pro edition is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, now. Where is it now? It's not even bloody display. Anyway, it took me to a page where it was like saying Windows 10 Pro. Let's see if it'll Windows 10 Pro download. Oops. Shit. Yes, allow. Get Windows 10 genuine. Right. Now that's what it's saying for me to upgrade. That's what's saying for me to do. But I'm using the Pro version. Now, to actually do the Pro version, it's fucking changed its price now. It's about 149 quid. Now that's absolutely atrocious. But you see, it's gobsmacked. I'm gobsmacked. I'm absolutely gobsmacked at that sort of. No, I thought what he was going to do was he was going to screen share it. I thought he was going to screen share it, you know, get a bit of information on it and this, that and the other and blah, blah, blah. But no, he's not. They weren't going to do that. Well, obviously they didn't do that, so I'm furious. Anyway, I'm hoping to get this solved. Now I will keep you all posted on what this it actually establishes, what I actually managed to what I actually end up doing. But I really don't want to reinstall the Windows, especially how fragile it is, because when I've reinstalled the Windows, when I've had to reinstall Windows 10, I've always had problems with it. I've always had problems with either drivers, with me hardware, with me internet. It's just been absolutely a nightmare, and I'm furious. Right. Well, anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are all warned about what the outcome of this video is. I'm absolutely furious, but anyway, I shall see you all next time on another video. Thank you for watching. This has been Damo, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. If you want to comment your difficulties down below, please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and if you want to support this channel, don't forget to click the link down below to support this channel, or click the link up at the top right hand side of the banner to support this channel, and I will see you all very soon on another video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Why not subscribe for more?